Today, a judge sentenced Hannah Cushing to 17 years in prison. Cushing's one of 5 people police say were involved in the murder of DeJoy Drones at his home in New Albany.
WLKY's Alexis Matthews was inside the courtroom and talked with Drones' family.
On Thursday, the family of DeJoy Drones watched as the woman who participated in the killing of the beloved father was punished, but they say no amount of time can fill the void of his absence.
I really feel like she should have at least minimum gotten the 25 years he only spent on this earth, but she didn't, and I think that that's wrong.
At the first sentencing for one of 5 people involved in a home invasion that left her child's father dead, Mackenzie Wallace says she's not satisfied with the sentence. A judge sentenced Hannah Cushing to 20 years, 17 and a half to be served in prison, the other 2.5 on probation.
I don't think that her sentencing matches the crime at all, especially given she was literally at an amusement park the day we were laying him to rest.
Cushing accepted a plea deal for a charge of felony robbery. The murder and burglary charges were dismissed.
We think that's a fair resolution in this particular case. It holds the individual accountable while protecting our community.
Authorities say Cushing admitted to planning the home invasion along with her boyfriend, Colton Berry, and Dakarian Peters. The 22-year-old drove everyone to DeJoy Drones' house in September, where they stole money, guns, and marijuana. Berry and Peters, along with a juvenile accomplice, are currently in custody. A third suspect, Demetrius Roberts, has not yet been caught.
Whether the police catch him, karma will, no matter what, and I'm very, very trustful of that.
Floyd County Prosecutor Chris Lane says Berry accepted a plea agreement on Wednesday and expects his sentence to be more severe than Cushing's.
He pled guilty to count 2, burglary is a level 1. 26 years, 23 of those years executed.
As criminal proceedings continue, Drones' loved ones say they will be there every step of the way to see justice through for a little girl who no longer has her dad.
They were literally best friends. Like, he did everything for her, everything. And it just breaks my heart for her because she loved him to death.
From Floyd County, Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.
Now